Until now, quality testing for defects or even potential defects in wound components like a layer short, corona, or partial discharge, or flashover has been difficult to perform during early phases of design and production. Several instruments and multiple test stations had to be active in order to comply with standards. Chroma has come up with a solution to free up resources and increase your throughput. The Chroma 19036 is the industry's first wound component electrical safety test analyzer that combines impulse winding, also known as surge testing, AC-DC high pot, insulation resistance, and DC resistance test measurement functions into one 10-channel unit. Capable of outputting and measuring 100 milliamps AC and 20 milliamps DC, the 19036 is applicable for testing to high-power motor standards like UL 1004-1. Its 500 VA design is also compliant with ECUL output power standards. Wound component applications include EV motors, servo motors, ascension motors, transformers, solenoid valves, and motor stator surge testing. An impulse winding test imposes a non-destructive low-voltage impulse at high speed on the device under test. By comparing the resulted waveform against the golden sample, you can detect potential defects such as a layer short, corona, or partial discharge before the next stage of production. Data of the impulse test can be analyzed by area size, differential area, flutter value, or by Laplacian method. Included is flashover detection. During high-voltage testing, the 19036 is able to detect any high-voltage electric shorts made through the air between exposed conductors. Since flashover cannot be detected by leakage current RMS value, this additional test is a valuable feature of the 19036. The insulation resistance test feature measures the total resistance between any 2 points separated by electrical insulation. The test determines the product's insulation quality and can detect impending insulation failures as the product is used over time. Chroma 19036 can make either 2-wire or 4-wire DCR measurements. Its design allows for high-accuracy 4-wire DCR measurements covering a wide range from very low resistance to very high resistance and includes both drive and sense terminals. With built-in calculation functions, DCR measurement can be achieved on either delta-type or Y-type motor windings. The balance and rotation of motors with multiple windings is important to long-term quality. DCR balance is a measurement the 19036 performs by subtracting the minimum and maximum values of the winding, and then comparing it to the other windings and to the golden unit. When measuring low DC resistance, the measured values can be influenced with change in temperature. Chroma has included a temperature compensation function that converts the temperature coefficient in order to measure the DCR value to a selected operating temperature. From EV motors to household fans, all rotary motor products are required to undergo impulse tests, high pot tests, and DCR measurements to ensure their quality. Chroma 19036 answers these requirements in one 10-channel unit, saving time, cost, and space. When more channels are needed, optional 16-channel 4-wire scanners are available, allowing expansion up to 40 channels. For more information and product specifications, please call, email, or visit chromausa.com.